Good afternoon, dear students. My name is Sadev. Today we are going to do our book Geography, and the first chapter is Environment. This chapter starts with a story. A boy named Ravi returned his school after so much long holidays. When he returned school, he found that there was no playground. He discussed with his teachers, friends. Then he asked his teachers about environment. So, what is environment? Environment is we see many things around us: school building, chairs, tables, open fields, the roads, the garbage, friends, mountains, rivers, trees, animal, car, clothes are part of environment. So what environment provide us? Environment provide us air, water, food, land, and human being modify natural environment like he discovered car, pot, vessels. He also established factories. So he modify environment. Now we will find out major components of environment. There are three components of environment. First natural, second human, third human made. So in natural we can find land, air, water, living things. And in human, individual, their family, community, religion, educational, economic, political situation. And what human made? Human made buildings, parks, bridges, industries, roads, monuments. So we can find out that place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. While the natural environment refer to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. So first, what is biotic? The biotic is the world of living organisms like plant, animal. We called it biotic. And what is abiotic? Abiotic is the world of non-living elements like land. So now we will do types of environment. There are two types of environment. First is natural environment, second human environment. So what is natural environment? Natural environment is comprised of land, water, air, plants and animals. So in your sixth class you have studied about four sphere. First, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. So, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid, yeah, hard top layer of the earth. It is made of rocks, minerals covered with the thin layer of soil, regular surface. Sometimes there is mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys. Landforms are found over continents and also on the ocean floor also. Lithosphere is the domain that provide us forest, grasslands for grazing, lands for agriculture and human settlement. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Now hydrosphere. You see large bodies of water on our earth. It comprise various sources of water, different types of water bodies like lakes, rivers, seas, ocean. It is essential for living organisms. Now, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surround the earth. The gravitational force of the earth hold the atmosphere around it. It protects us from harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists a number of gases, dust and water also. The change in the atmosphere produce change in the water climate, weather and climate. So now biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where you can find life and where land, water, and air interact with each other. Now we will discuss about ecosystem. In on our earth there are many ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem, like all plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between living organisms as well as the relation between organisms and their surroundings form the ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, even a small pond. In your picture, you find two ecosystem: pond ecosystem and grass ecosystem. Now, human environment. What is human environment? Let's human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. Then they led a very simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With the time, needs grew and became more varied. Now humans learns new way to use change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, led a settled life. The wheel was invented, barter system emerged, trade started, commerce developed. Now industrial revolution enabled large scale production, transportation become faster than bus, truck, train, aeroplane. Information revolution made communication easier, speedy across the world. First radio, then mobile, now Android, and TV. Many other are technical things, and there are two fine example of environment, human environment are village and cities. I hope that you will learn from this video. Please listen it 2 times. Thank you and have a nice day.